Alright, so I want to get this on footage before I tear it apart, but let's say that's in gear for the 6-speed, and this sucker, that's in gear. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. So what I think it is I think that it's the bushing, and I ordered this one from getrag, and it's a solid brass bushing, but I think I'm gonna pull this shifter out and that plastic bushing is gonna be crushed, gone, disintegrated, or something. We'll see. Be back in a minute. So I was right. This was still intact, but where the hell's the bottom of it? It looks like that's somewhere, either the transfer case probably ate that mofo up. But yeah, that's the reason why my shifter was so sloppy, because that wasn't even doing its job. Now I gotta pop that one off, which it's so hot right now. I just drove 50 freaking miles. But I'm gonna put this bad boy on it, and oh yeah. Alright, so we got the new one on there, and she swivels just fine. This one is, since it's the getrag 6-speed shifter out of the R34, I looked up the part number, and I'll post it in probably the comments below, but this is the same as a Nissan 240SX. So a KA24DET shifter. The R32 and the R33 5-speed one is a lot bigger and will not work, but they're the same diameter and so forth. Hopefully you won't have the same problems as me. So if your shifter starts feeling real loose, put this in. Alright, so we got the new getrag brass bushing in the shifter, and my, what a difference. Like, that's how much it moves now. Well, I mean, it's more normal than it was earlier, because earlier I was just like guessing what freaking gear I was in, but now good to go. Let me know what you think if you want to do this. The only problem I had with it is getting it down into the getting the bushing down into the piece. It has to align just right before it slides down in there. But other than that, pretty simple. It took me about an hour tops, mainly because I like to make things neat and do things right. So yeah, hope this helps.